I have opened a new Ethereum position for the long size because I saw this especially pattern on this chart. And welcome back, guys, to this episode. Now we want to talk about the next price targets of Ethereum and also from Bitcoin. As you can see here, I have opened two long positions, one in the Bitcoin market and also one in the Ethereum market. And now the question is why I have opened both positions. So for the first time, let us start with the Bitcoin prices. Here at the Bitcoin chart, we see one special thing at the 4-hourly chart. We're going back to the 4-hourly chart. And here we saw this pattern here right now, which could be broke to the up or to the downside. So when we're looking here, the price target for the up size would be also way up. If we broke it here outside, up to 25,000 US dollars, or if we broke this level here to the downside, it would be going down to 15,000 or 14,000 US dollar. But why I open here a long position and not the short position? This is the reason because we saw here, when we zoom a little bit in, especially on the 4-hourly chart, that we founding here our higher low. So we have here one low, then we have a higher low, get this pump to the upside, getting rejected at this level here at 21,000 US dollars, but founding support on this area here and get there a rejection to the upsides. So if you also want to go in this trade, you can also go, or I can show you my position I get in the trade was here at this level there. I will trade this not to 25,000 US dollars. I will trade this to this resistance level here at this side with a little small stop loss, because if we're broken out of our pattern, we will maybe see the next resistance level, the next support level also first here, and then the next one is at 16,000 US dollars. So be careful with this trade, use a small leverage or a straight stop loss, but you can earn up to 8%. With the 10x leverage would be 80%. And if you also want to trade this move to the upside, you can go under this video. There are a link to the trading tutorials and also to the trading platform I use. So you can take BYBIT as a trading platform, or also, as I opened the trade here at this side, with BITGET. So both links are in the video description, so definitely check out of these both links. And now let's go back to Ethereum, because also on Ethereum I take a long position to the upside. And why I do this? So here we saw in the 4-hourly chart that we have our resistance level here, which is playing now out that we are breaking this line to the upside. So because there in the 1-hourly chart, when we zoom a little bit in, we have a falling wedge. And if we broke the falling wedge to the upside, or it's a pattern and the price target of this falling wedge is the upside move. So when we're looking there, that would be 5% to 1,120 US dollars, with a little small stop loss also, because if we're broken to the downside, it would be also possible that we are founding here our support and later get a move to the upside. So, but if you're broken now, the resistance line here will be retesting this, then would be also possible that we reach our price target here with the top of the falling wedge. And when we also look at the EMA ribbon, we saw that actually we are in the EMA ribbon, and when we are getting in this, it's further a move to the downside, but in my opinion, I think definitely we will broke or stay in this EMA ribbon line for, I think, in the next days before we flip it and go higher. And when we are going in at the Ethereum price a little bit lower, I will definitely order some more long position to my position, because I think in the next weeks, in the next month, it will be definitely see higher prices in the Ethereum price. So it would be, in my opinion, a trade with little small leverage on a little bit small amount of money, but to hold this trade a long way to the upside. And when we are looking also on the news, that I can reading that El Salvador had bought much more bitcoins, as you can see here at the 1st of July, which was yesterday, that they buy more bitcoin around 90,000 US dollars. So that is also here 480 bitcoin for this amount of money, which is absolutely crazy. So that is also a sign for me that we are founding now the little time of the bottom, and will we see higher prices in the next weeks. Because when we are also looking back at the market capture of Bitcoin, we see here that we are not far away from our last all-time high in December 2017. So it was exactly at this level here. So now you can see that we are really close to it. Maybe we have already seen the bottom here at this time over there. So that would be also possible that this was already the bottom, and now we are getting here a little bit sideways before we see a massive move to the upside back to the next all-time high. And guys, that is also the end of this video, and don't also forget to like this video, to subscribe to the channel, and also don't miss out to watch also my full BYBIT exchange tutorial, how to use BYBIT, how to long and to short with Bitcoin, and how to buy some more coins, also maybe Bitcoin also and Ethereum. And then we see in the next video. Bye bye.